You can meet me at my hotel with nothing on under your trench coat. There's no end, no time for it, you know. Why don't you bring a girlfriend?
Welcome back to my channel. If you're a lazy girl like me and was in a hurry, just want to be a baddie and not have to do all this work, I recommend UNICE by Knotless Wig. It's a 7x4, and the only thing about it is I didn't really measure my head, so I needed to go up a size. So if you are decisive and know, make sure you get that info. So when I got the hair, I was very surprised because the quality was really good. Not to sound cliche, but it was very luscious, fluffy, bouncy. Like, the quality of the hair was really good. So this is really my first time ever doing my wig. Your girl was on the go and I had things to do. As soon as I put it on, it looked like skin. It looked like skin. I'm not even gassing it. Like, it looked like skin. You can see it. Look at it.
Get me only when I say, hey, but I think I'm liking her more. She does the things I never asked for. No, baby, you can touch and feel, just don't get in the way.
I curled my hair. I wanted to go for like an effortless, bouncy, laid back, curly, beachy hair look.
You can meet me at my hotel.
I did use my Gatsby spray just to secure it, since it was small on my head.
Time for it, you know. Why don't you bring a girlfriend? The way she eyes me down excites me. We'll just unwind and find a way.
Then I made sure to band it, but I slept in it. So it's by your choice what you want to do, but I slept in it to melt it. So yeah, sleep in it, melt it, stay in it, sleep in it, sweat. I'm don't sweat in it. And this was the final result. I think I did okay for like my first time. I was ready to go. I was ready to be a baddie and go. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. But yeah, that's how it came out, and thank you for coming by. So this is only for the girls that are lazy, okay?